Hello, Kostas Albanidis here, and I'm gonna show you a typical problem that most of you are dealing with WordPress and the pages. If you have a page, let's say we have this private policy page, and we want to change the permalink, you're not able to change it. Usually that happens because from the settings you have the default plain permalink. So if you go here to the pages, you see that it's going to give a default permalink that you can change it. That permalink has to do with an ID, the page ID, and you just have to use this as your permalink. That's not a SEO-friendly URL, and it's not good to have this one as a slug. So what you have to do, and the simple solution is just to go to the settings, to the permalink, and to the permalinks, and here you're gonna have to choose the post name. And that's the most self-friendly permalink structure, and you're gonna be able to use anything you want and anything that is relevant to the page that you want to publish. So if you're here to privacy policy, you can come here, you can change it, and you can write something more if you want here, and it's gonna keep this one as the permalink, and it's gonna be the slug for this page. So when you are gonna check the page, you're gonna see up here that it's gonna have the link privacy policy normally up to the web page. So I hope that's an easy fix, and that's gonna solve easily the problem that you're dealing with, not being able to change your permalinks. And on that way, you're gonna be able to use even the great Elementor page builder that you're gonna have the opportunity to make faster pages and to have the best result to your SEO structure. Thank you very much, and I will see you to the next video. Ciao. Ciao.